Welcome to my cozy hobby room. Today on Hobbit Home Style, I am sharing with you my cozy hobby room. I have been working so hard on this room and I absolutely love how it turned out. I'm also going to show you a bunch of my favorite cozy hobbies that I like to do right here in this room. Let's go with the tour. My husband and I live in this 1890s folk Victorian farmhouse in rural Ohio. This room has been such a true labor of love and I feel like it just fits me perfectly. I have filled it with antique and vintage furniture and decor to keep the original charm while making it fit my personality as well. This space is super functional but super aesthetic, and that just makes me so freaking happy. I'm going to show you all my favorite nooks and crannies and some of my favorite hobbies today. Not only is this my cozy hobby room, but it's also the second floor laundry. Yes, you heard that right. The second floor laundry. This is also the cat's hobby room. Right, Miss Keisha? Do you have anything to say? That's all from her, folks. This little corner gets so much love, especially for reading and cuddling with Keisha. I found this chair on Facebook Marketplace and I just love its vibe so much. I'm not sure if you can tell from the video, but this little corner of the room has such fun angles and it makes for the perfect reading corner. I knew pretty early on that this antique secretary desk was going to be the perfect place for a craft station. I have been working so hard to make this beautifully organized so that it brings me peace and is super functional. I keep all the bits and bobs in here for so many crafts and activities. This antique wardrobe serves as another craft storage area as well as some home decor that's not in season right now. Just like the desk, I've been working to make this super organized so that it's easy just to come in here and enjoy the cozy crafting time. As you can tell, I love to do so many different kind of crafts. I'm going to show you a few little things today. I have been working on this DIY book nook, so I'm getting out my container full of miniature items to work on it. A newer hobby I've picked up is putting together these Lego botanical sets. I was never really into Legos as a kid, but these are just so beautiful, and I love the little crafty, nerdy touch that it gives to my house. One of my goals in 2025 was to start journaling more. And while it felt a little weird at first, I've really found it to be such an outlet to get my feelings out and to be creative and just write about what I'm feeling. If you are not journaling, I highly recommend it. I don't have a guided journal or anything. I just look up prompts online sometimes or just write about what I need to get out. Thank you for spending time with me and Keisha in my cozy hobby room today. I hope you love it as much as I do. And I hope you find some inspiration to work on your hobbies or start new hobbies that I love as well. Bye.